Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. In this video, we'll be solving one very interesting and challenging radical equation for the real values of x. So let's get started. Here we have 8, here we have 16, here we have 8, here we have 32. So I am thinking about 4 times 4 equal to 8 times 2. So we will consider our substitution x equal to 4y. In place of x, we are going to write 4y. So 4y minus 8 times 4y plus 16 equal to 8 times the square root of 32 minus 4y. Now we'll take 4 common from these two. It will come out as 2. So we can write here. Here we will take 4 common. From this bracket we will have 4 common. So we will get 4 times y minus 2. 4 is common. Y plus 4, 8, and square root 4 is 2. So we'll write here 8 times 2 is square root 8 minus y. Now here we have 16. If we will multiply these two, 4 times 4 is 16. So let us divide both sides by 16. We will write here divided by 16. We will write here divided by 16. 16 over 16 will become 1. 16 over 16 will become 1. We will write our equation y minus 2 times y plus 4 equal to the square root 8 minus y. Now we'll use algebraic manipulation. So I can write y minus 2, y plus 1 minus 3, y plus 4, y plus 1 plus 3. Now we have y plus 1 over here, y plus 1 over here. So we'll try to write RHS in terms of y plus 1. So we can write 9 minus y plus 1. So that we will use substitution y plus 1 suppose equal to a. Now our equation will become a minus 3 times a plus 3 equal to square root 9 minus a. So I will write here a minus 3 times a plus 3 equal to the square root of 9 minus a. Now we can talk about domain of the equation. For a to be real or for x to be real, radicand must be non-negative. So a must be less than or equal to 9. From right hand side, we have one condition on a should be less than or equal to 9. We have a square root in RHS, so our LHS must also be non-negative. So we will get two conditions from here. Either a should be less than equal to minus 3 or a should be greater than equal to 3. Now we will take intersection of these two conditions first. Then we will take intersection of these two conditions. So from this intersection, we will get a should be less than equal to minus 9. And second condition would be a should be in the interval 3 to 9. So if a is less than or equal to minus 3, then we are going to get real values of x. And if a is in the interval 3 to 9, then only we are going to get real values of x. Now we will be using difference of two squares formula over here. So we can write a square minus 3 square, it is 9, equal to a square root of 9 minus a. We have a square root in right hand side, so we can square both sides. Now we will cancel a square root with a square in right hand side. We will write equation a square minus 9 whole square equal to 9 minus a. Now we will use another algebraic manipulation step. I will write a square minus 9 whole square equal to 9 minus a. Now I will subtract both sides a square. So I will write here minus a square minus a square. Now in LHS we can use difference of two squares identity, a square minus b square, a plus b times a minus b. So we will write a square minus 9 plus a times a square minus 9 minus a. In right hand side we can take minus sign common. So in the bracket there would be a square plus a minus 9. Now we will write all the terms to LHS. We will get a square plus a minus 9 times a square minus a minus 9 plus a square plus a minus 9 equal to 0. Now we have a square plus a minus 9 overall common. So we will take a square plus a minus 9 common out. So in other bracket we can write a square minus a minus 9 plus 1 equal to 0, or a square plus a minus 9 times a square minus a minus 8 equal to 0. Now we will use product 0 rule and we can write two quadratic equations. Either a square plus a minus 9 equal to 0 or a square minus a minus 8 equal to 0. Let us solve both the equations. I will write both equations here. A square plus a minus 9 equal to 0, and second equation is a square minus a minus 8 equal to 0. I'll be using quadratic formula method. So here I need to write coefficient of small a square 1, coefficient of small a 1, constant minus 9. Here we will write capital A is equal to 1, capital B equal to negative 1, constant is minus 8. As per formula, we will write A equal to minus B plus minus the square root of B square minus 4AC over 2 times A. We will get A equal to, from first equation we have A, B and C. Let's plug in. We will get minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square is 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 9 plus 36 over 2 times 1, 2. And from second quadratic equation we will get minus B, so minus of minus 1, 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square is plus 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 8 plus 32 over 2 times 1, so 2. So we have 4 A values, minus 1 plus minus square root 37 over 2, and from here 1 plus minus square root of 33 over 2. Now we have restrictions on A. Let me write all the 4 values separately. Minus 1 plus square root 37 over 2, minus 1 minus square root 37 over 2. Then we have 1 plus square root 33 over 2 and 1 minus square root 33 over 2. Now we will find approximate values of A. So minus 1 plus square root 37 over 2 would be somewhere around 2.51. Second value would be somewhere minus 3.51. Third value would be approximately 3.4. and fourth one would be approximately minus 2.4. Now we have restriction on A. A should be in the interval 3 to 9. Let me write 3 to 9 first. Then A is less than or equal to minus 3. If A is in the interval 3 to 9, then we are going to accept 3.4 and we are going to reject 2.51. This is from this inequality. If A is less than or equal to minus 3, then we are going to accept minus 3.51 and we are going to reject minus 2.4. So we have only two real A which will give us real X. So let me write here A equal to minus 1 minus square root 37 over 2 and 1 plus square root 33 over 2. Now A was our substitution, y plus 1. So here we can write y plus 1 equal to minus 1 minus square root 37 over 2, 1 plus square root 33 over 2. To get the value of y, we should subtract 1. So I will write here minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled out. We will get y equal to minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. So minus 3 minus square root 37 over 2. 1 minus 2 will give us minus 1 plus square root 33 over 2. Still, we have y over here. We haven't x. So what we will do here? Our substitution was x equal to 4y. So we will multiply both sides by 4. Let me write y first. Let's multiply by 4 both sides. So we will write here times 4. We will write here times 4. Now 4y is x. We will write here x equal to 4 over 2 is 2. So we will write 2 times minus 3 minus square root 37. 4 over 2 is 2. 2 times minus 1 plus square root 33. Now we will take minus common from the bracket and we will get two real values of x. Minus 2 in bracket we will write 3 plus square root 37 and here we will write 2 times square root 33 minus 1. So we have two real values of x which will satisfy our radical equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye.